While lots of bank switching offers have come to an end recently, Co-op's brought back its £175 switching offer that ended in June. This £175 bonus is split up into two parts, so you'll get £100 for the actual switch and £25 for the next 3 months if you stay and meet the next set of criteria. What's more, once you get your Co-op current account, you'll also get access to its 7% regular saver, which I'll explain more about later. So how does the switching deal work? Well, if you're a new customer, you'll need to open either the standard current account, which is the free basic account, or the everyday current account, which is a packaged bank account, and request a switch within 2 weeks. Existing customers can also switch into one of those accounts, or the current account plus the privilege or privilege premier accounts. Now, while the free standard account has no perks or extra features, for most, this will be the best option. The alternative everyday extra account is a packaged bank account, which comes with travel insurance, mobile phone insurance, and breakdown cover. It's worth noting that this everyday extra account comes with an £18 monthly cost, which is pretty dear and will eat into your total return. But if you are interested in packaged bank accounts, we've got a full analysis of the best ones on the market over on becadwithyourcash.com. Now, as with most switching deals, once you've opened the new account, you need to use the current account switch service to move over an account from a different bank. You need to start it within 14 days of opening the account and then ensure the switch completes within 8 weeks of starting the process. Then, within 30 days of the switch completing, you must deposit £1,000, have 2 active direct debits, make at least 10 debit card payments, and register for online banking or mobile banking. Now, with these rules, it's really important not to do these things before the switch is finished, else you won't get the bonus. You can transfer any existing direct debits as part of the switch or set some up once it's done. If you don't have any, we've got a whole article on cheap and fast direct debits you can set up over on the website, including the usual ones that pay your bills and for subscriptions, and some that are less typical, like paying into your PayPal account or your savings. That £1,000 deposit doesn't need to stay in the account either, so you can move it out elsewhere straight away if you wish. It also doesn't need to be paid in one go, so you can move smaller amounts in and out if that's easier. Any money moved as part of the switch will also count towards the £1,000. However, very importantly, the debit card spending and deposit need to happen later than the day after the switch completes, not before. Transfers that happen as part of the switch count towards the £1,000, and you can also hack the debit card payments, which you can find out more in the full article on the website. Now, for the extra £75 bonus, there's a few more hoops to jump through. So this second lot of cash is actually 3 monthly lots of £25, and each payment is triggered by the use of the current account. Every month, you'll need to deposit £1,000, pay out 2 direct debits or standing orders, and make at least 10 debit card payments. This month begins the day after you get the initial £100. So if that hits your account on the 15th of October, for example, you've got until the 15th of November to meet the criteria, then again on the 15th of December, and finally the 15th of January. As usual with switching deals, there are exclusions. So with this offer, you can't already have had a switching bonus from the Co-op Bank since the 1st of November 2022, and you can only get 1 bonus per person, regardless of whether you have more than 1 solo or any extra joint accounts. You'll also only get 1 payment per joint account, not 1 each. So if 2 of you want the cash, you're much better off opening new individual accounts. Now, if you're wondering when the money will be paid, Co-op Bank says the first £100 will be in your account within 7 days of the switch completing. Each extra £25 payment will arrive in your current account 7 days after the month ends. These switching deals can often be short-lived, and with this one, we don't yet know when the offer will end, but we will update you when we do. Now, as promised, another perk, which is separate from the switching deal, is that once you open a Co-op current account, you can get access to its 7% regular saver. It's not quite a market-leading rate. You can currently get 7.1% with Zopa or 7.5% with Principality, although that's only for 6 months, but it's still a decent rate. You can pay in up to £250 a month and get the 7% rate for a year. So if you pay in the maximum for 12 months, you'd end up with £113 of interest. What's also good about this account is that it's easy access, so you can get to your money whenever you want. This is unusual with regular savers, which often don't allow withdrawals, or they might let you, subject to a penalty. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the new £175 switching deal from the Co-op Bank. We've got more information in our article over on becadwithyourcash.com, but in the meantime, check out these videos here for more ways to help you make the most of your money.